First, let's remember in CPM what this big checkpoint, right? This checkpoint means. This checkpoint means you should be solid in performing this task by now, right? They've spiraled this through lessons and lessons in either this textbook or prior textbooks, and you should be really good at doing whatever the problem is. So let's look what this problem is. This problem is evaluating expressions, and they give us values for x, y, and z, and then we have to substitute these values in and evaluate the expression. So let's start with A, right? It's 2x plus 3y plus z. And all I'm going to do on the first step is substitute in these three values, right? And I'm not going to simplify. I'm just going to substitute in. So 2 times x is negative 2, plus 3 times y is negative 3, plus z is 5. And now I'll simplify. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 plus 5. So negative 4 minus 9 is negative 13. And negative 13 plus 5 is negative 8, right? So we have simplified expression A. I think I'll just do these right in the order they're put on the page. So I'm going to do D under it so it lines up. So that, I'm guessing this is supposed to be squared. It did not print right in the ebook. Minus 2x plus 1. So again, I am going to substitute values in. So x is negative 2 squared minus 2 times x, which again is negative 2, plus 1. So negative 2 squared is negative 2 times negative 2. That's positive 4. And then negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4 here, plus 1. So I have 12 plus 4 plus 1. That's 16 plus 1 is 17 for D. So now let's come up here and do B, right? B, I have x minus y. So x is negative 2 minus y, which is negative 3. So negative 2 minus a negative is negative 2 plus 3, which comes out to be 1. And then let's do E, which is directly under it. E, 3y times x plus, again, I'm guessing that's x squared minus y. So I have 3 times y, which is negative 3, times x, which is negative 2, plus negative 2 squared, minus y, which is negative 3, and that's all in parens. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, times negative 2 plus negative 2 squared is 4, minus a negative, right, which is plus 3. So in parentheses, I have negative 2 plus 4 is 2, plus 3 is 5. Negative 9 times 5 is negative 45 for E. And for C, right, I have x plus y over z. So x is negative 2, y is negative 3, and z is 5. So negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5 over 5, which is negative 1, right? That was for C. For some reason, the book that I'm looking at has negative 2 as an answer there. I'm not sure why. So given this question for C, the answer would be negative 1. If there's a misprint in the ebook at this time of the video, then I apologize, but okay. So now let's do F. I think I'm going to need more room, so I'm going to start up here, right? So it's negative z squared times 1 minus 2x all over y minus x. Okay, so z is 5, so it's negative 5 squared times 1 minus 2 times x, x is negative 2, over y, which is negative 3, minus x, which is negative 2. Okay, so 5 squared is 25, so that's negative 25 times 1, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, so 1 plus 4, over negative 3 minus a negative 2, or negative 3 plus 2, right? That's negative 3 plus 2. So I have negative 25 times 5, negative 25 times 5, over negative 3 plus 2, which is negative 1. Negative 25 times 5 is negative 125 over negative 1, which is negative divided by a negative is positive 125.